So, it's time to apply for accommodation at Newcastle University. We guarantee accommodation for full-year undergraduate and postgraduate taught students. Check out the criteria and application deadlines on our website to see if you're eligible. To apply, first register your account and head over to accommodation.ncl.ac.uk. You'll need your UCAS ID or 9-digit university number, surname and date of birth to register. Create a login using your personal email and a strong password. You'll be sent a confirmation email with your login details attached. If you're applying for undergraduate accommodation at Newcastle University, you'll apply via our advanced booking method, so you can have peace of mind that your room is secured. Once you've registered your account, research our accommodation. Keep some backup choices in mind in case your first choice is unavailable. Make sure that you check all your accommodation choices are within your budget, and consider any advance payments or guarantor requirements. And remember, it's not about where you live, but who you live with. During busy periods, you may enter a queue before you can log in to select your room. Once you've chosen your room, click Book Now to lock in your choice, and double check you're happy before confirming, as you won't be able to change your selection. You'll receive a confirmation email. Be sure to look out for this, so you can be confident you've reserved your room. And then, you're done. You'll receive your accommodation contract to sign after results day. Applying by submitting an application. If you're applying for accommodation as a postgraduate student, as a part-year student, or as part of a couple or family, you'll need to submit an application with us. Once you've registered and logged in, you can use our handy tool to compare up to 4 accommodation options at once. Add your top choices to your basket. The number of accommodation choices you'll make depends on your application type. Our team will use your preferences to assign you the best room available. Make sure that you check your accommodation choice is within your budget and consider any advance payments or guarantor requirements. You'll then be asked to provide any additional information, which will help the team select alternative accommodation. If your choices are unavailable, you can amend your choice, but only up until this year's deadline. Then submit your application and our team will be in touch with a response once your application has been processed. And remember, it's not about where you live, but who you live with. Applying for accommodation with a disability or health condition. During the application process, we'll ask you whether you have a disability or health condition to help match you with the right room. The route you take to apply will depend on your personal needs. If you're eligible for advanced booking but need an accessible room, like one with a wet room or wheelchair access, you'll submit an accommodation application. Alternatively, if you need adjustments to a standard room, like a room on a lower floor or a fridge for medication, you will use advanced booking. Just let us know your requirements via email after booking. In all cases, sending us supporting information really helps. Full details of the application process can be found on our website at ncl.ac.uk/accommodation. We look forward to welcoming you to Newcastle.